Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to reset the oil service reminder on the dash. It takes less than a minute. First, hold down the left button on the dash cluster and keep holding it while you turn your key to the first position. Keep holding the button until the word Reset appears on the dash. Let go, then hold it down again until the word Reset starts flashing. Let go, then tap the button one more time. Newer models will show the word End when you're done, but mine just shows the distance until the next oil service and goes back to the reset screen. Remove the key and we're done. That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, just keep throwing money at it.